very good afternoon. I am Tanele Alice. I'm under the Eswatini National Youth Council exhibition stand. This is day 9 at the trade fair, and I must say that the response that we have been receiving from the young people is quite tremendous, inquiring on the public service that the Eswatini National Youth Council renders to the young people and how the young people actually benefit from the services that the council renders. Basically, our core mandate is to advocate for the young people, ensuring that the resources that they require to develop themselves and get empowered in the process are made available to them. One major and very common inquiry that we have been receiving since we started the trade last week Friday is how to go about starting a business. And fortunately enough, the government of Eswatini has made available the fund that the young people can actually utilize to establish businesses, because that piece of information we've been getting out to the young people and also trying to explain to them that Eswatini National Youth Council does not hold the fund for young people. However, it is accessible through the Youth Fund, which is under the same ministry that we're in, the Ministry of Sports, Youth and Culture. So our function in that regard is to receive the young person and assist them with the technical know-how of accessing the fund at the end of the day, so that they are able to start up businesses, or those that are already in the industry are in a better position to probably expand the current businesses that they're in, and ensuring sustainability, which is going to result in job creation for young people in the Kingdom of Eswatini.
All right.
My name is Sive Manana. I am the Corporate Communications Manager for Swaziland Railway. Namuhla la kule conference room nela emva kwethu besine workshop, sort of a workshop meeting nema stakeholders la involved kuna line lethu lisuka eMaputo lite Eswatini lesilibita ngathi Koba line. The line lelo line lelisuka from inland Swaziland njengoba simathi Swaziland ukuthi it's a landlocked country, let they access to the port. Ema-ports lokhanza ukuthi siyawasebenzisa kakhulu, it's Durban and Richards Bay kuhambisa ema-goods nekungenisa timpahla. Lenye i-port lesibone ukuthi asiyiqale siyi-introduce aggressively to consumers and business people alike is the Port of Maputo. The Port of Maputo is only 230 kilometers from Swaziland. Kanti bo Durban khuluma ngabo 500 and something, so it's a distance of less than 200. You saved on 200 less kilometers when you are going to the Port of Maputo. Kanti Port of Maputo is a growing port, lebonakala ukuthi ine potential learning kanti underutilized. So ke lebe sikwendile namhla besibithe onke ama stakeholders la ngapha involved in the running of the port and the passage esibitha ngathi Koba corridor. Sitsengisa line lekusuka kumathapha uye eMaputo port, siphinde sithengise kusuka eMaputo port ute kumathapha, so that ama-transporters in Swaziland angakhona kuhambisa timpahla tawo. I-capacity yale line inengi, isitimela lesihamba kusinye ngelanga, le line line potential ekuhambisa titimela 6 ngelanga, so futhi 5 wema slots are open, are available. Ngilokhu lebe stokukhulumisa ke lana bekude labarana i-port yaseMaputo, kude baka railway basemaputo, kude labarana i-container depot yaseMaputo, kuna Swaziland Railway, kuna potential customers from Matapa, kuna laba bangama shipping lines labafana nabo MSC, Meridian Shipping Company, nema freight clearing agents, nema forwarders. So it was a cluster of stakeholders laba interested in the rail and transportation business. Khulumisa kubuka netinkinga lebadibana nato naba exporter bakhona ukuthola ama responses. Ekugcineni konke ke sesasitawa kai action plan ukuthi kulama submissions lediwe la yini lesitawuphuma nako bese sesiyokwenda to make Maputo port a viable port, because it cuts down on the distance and it cuts down on the money. Shortly, you are safe. Basically, that is why we were here today. So the opportunity to trade fair because it's kuluma trade, nathi si kuluma trade. So sasa sithi asiyibambelela trade fair. Kulama facilities la trade fair. Ito blender into le theme trade fair lonyaka. Sikwende nathi kube relevant ukuthi si promote trade fair ukuthi silethe ama stakeholders lethu. Thank you.